What's this?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia. 20 nautical miles coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, capable of producing waterspouts and strong winds to 40 knots from the hump 2 near Cape Henry, moving east to 20 knots. Waterspouts will be near 4th Island Bay Bridge around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cape Henry Wreck around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Virginia Beach Oceanfront and Drew D Inlet around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sandbridge around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for northeastern
Whoa!
Carolina and southeastern Virginia.
Power just blinked. Guys, the power just blinked.
Severe thunderstorm watch